How do I set goals for revenue, profit, and growth? The best way to set these goals is to start with your profit target first, then work backward into revenue, and finally set a growth rate that gets you there in small, steady steps instead of one giant leap. Most people think you should start with a revenue goal, like saying you want to make $1 million this year, but that is actually backwards thinking. Start with how much profit you personally need or want to live the life you want, then figure out your profit margin, and that tells you exactly how much revenue you actually need to hit that number. For example, if you need $200,000 in profit and your margin is 20%, then you need $1 million in revenue to get there. Something most business owners never learn is that growth should be measured in stages of about 10 to 15% increases at a time, because jumping too fast without the systems or staff to support it is one of the fastest ways businesses collapse. Write your goals down on paper, break the yearly number into monthly numbers, and then break those into weekly numbers so it feels achievable instead of overwhelming. This is called reverse engineering your goals, and almost nobody teaches it this way in school. One of the biggest mistakes people make is chasing revenue growth without paying attention to profit margin, which means you can be making more money on paper while actually losing money in your pocket. A simple fix is to check your profit margin every single month, not just once a year. Another common mistake is setting one huge yearly goal with no smaller checkpoints, which makes it easy to lose motivation halfway through, so break it into 90-day goals instead so you can adjust quickly if something is not working. A lot of people also confuse growth with expansion, thinking hiring more people or opening a new location automatically means growth, when really, growth should be measured by profit per customer, not just how big the company looks from the outside. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.